So as you can see here, our keyword that we just found on Answer Socrates, it gets 19 views every day. Okay, now that's just an estimate number of how many views it's getting. It's not the exact, it could be a bit more, it could be a bit less, but in a rough estimation is getting about 19 views every day. Okay, so that is a pretty good keyword to go for, because not just that, but it also says that it's very easy to rank for, and it's very easy to rank on YouTube. Okay, so that shows us that it's super easy to rank for. We can rank the first page of YouTube. People are going to see us, and those 19 views a day, we're going to get exposure. Okay, maybe not, 19 views isn't a hell of a lot of views, but guess what? The keyword that we're using is super targeted. So now, if you go to that product, Keto Vianti, you could probably promote it as an affiliate. And from what I know and what I researched, I found out that it was a CPA offer. So CPA offer is basically where someone doesn't even pay for it. They can just sign up to, like, whether it's a email or subscription, like a free trial or something like that, and you get paid. Okay, so it's not even an actual sale. You're getting paid just for a sign up. So how freaking cool is that? Okay, so that's a bit about how video Vidly is. Now, just imagine how many keywords you can find like this on here that literally obviously you have to go through and do some proper research, because keto is a very competitive niche. And I'm also not telling you to do keto just because of this video. You want to pick your own niche. Okay, don't copy the exact same thing that I'm doing on here. You want to not copy, you want to pick your own niche. Okay, and then promote products around that niche. Okay, answering questions like these kind of questions, and then ultimately promoting your product, okay, as an affiliate. So